Hey everybody, Cyrus here with you, and boy, it's coming in now. You can really hear the wind. I got sustained winds of 30 miles an hour plus now, gusting to 50. Tropical storm conditions here in Franconia, Virginia. Step outside a little bit. It's really whipping through here now. Power's still on. We do have above ground power lines here, but fortunately we don't have a lot of trees hanging over it, so I'm hoping that's gonna help. Anyway, it's coming in, it's getting worse, so the storm's getting closer to us. And hope everybody has a good one. Hang in there, we got a ways to go.